So for today's video, we'll be unboxing and checking out this digital caliper. Let's get right into it. When you open the box, the first thing you notice is this hard, sleek case. It looks very stylish and feels solid. A really nice touch for protecting the caliper. Popping it open, you're greeted with everything neatly packed inside. We've got documentation, batteries, a small screwdriver, and of course, the caliper itself. Now let's take a closer look at each item. First up is the small screwdriver. This is used to install the battery and it's honestly a great inclusion. You don't have to go searching for tools. They even include an extra screw, which is a thoughtful detail. Next, we have the certificate of calibration, which is very reassuring and shows the caliper has been properly tested. After that, there's the operating instructions and parts manual. This is definitely worth reading so you fully understand all the features and how to use them correctly. Up next are the two 3-volt lithium button batteries. You only need one to power the caliper, so the second one is a spare. Always appreciated. Now for the main star of the show, the digital caliper itself. Right away, it has a good weight to it and feels very premium and solid. It definitely feels built to last. On the front, it features a clear LCD display which makes reading measurements very easy, even in low lighting conditions. On the back, there's a measurement reference chart, which is super useful to have right on the tool. Now I'll demonstrate how to install the battery. First, use the included screwdriver to remove the small screw on the battery cover. Take off the metal cover, remove the plastic protective insert, place the battery inside, and then screw the cover back on. Once the battery is installed, we have the power button, a button to switch between inches and millimeters, a 0 button to reset the measurement. One really cool feature about this caliper is that it retains its 0 point even when you turn it off and back on, which is extremely convenient. The caliper glides very smoothly, making it very user-friendly. Here I am demonstrating how to measure this toy block. You can measure outside dimensions, inside dimensions, and even depth. And all the measurement can be displayed in either inches or millimeters. And that's it for this unboxing and quick demo. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.